Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be doing a mini Monday savings challenge, and I will be using my matcha theme, and we will be saving with $30. This all helps get us to our goal of 10K, and the playlist for everything will be linked below in the description. Stay tuned. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with this challenge. It's $30 here. I did include a spicy, which just for me is just a $5 bill that is in between these challenges. Okay, so I'm gonna put these down, try to keep them random. I don't want anything to be in the spot hopefully that was in last week, but it was still, I did make a mistake last week and I had some number 5 in the number 5 spot still. I don't know how I did that, but so it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, we'll get started, and everything will get 2 bills. All right. Number 1 spot at $2. Number 4 spot coming in with $2. Number 1 spot again, $2. Number 2 spot is 2. Number 4 spot, okay. Number 4 spot again, okay. That number 3 spot, you got 2 bills. Okay, number 2 spot. All right, number 1 spot. 5 and 6 is looking a little lonely. Okay. What's that? The number 2 spot, and I'm just gonna do this. Okay. All right, that way, because they were coming in a little lonely there. All right, so I'm gonna get this set up over here. And how has your week been going? The children they've been out for their spring break. They're still out because every time the spring break ends, they have a teacher planning day right after. Anytime they have some sort of break right after they have a teacher planning day, so they get another day off that following Monday. And I still did have to get out and get to a doctor's appointment, which is fine, but it wasn't that early in the day. So anyway, okay, so this is where we are. All right, so in this here number 1 spot, it got $2 today. And I think last week this one ended up getting most of the bills anyhow. So this one got 2. I get to mark off 2. Okay, 1 and 2. So it still needs $3 to be completed. All right. Need to put the money in there, don't I? Okay, now let's go to the number 2 spot. It got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bills today. So it got $6. And this is a savings challenge by, the first one was my challenge, and this is linked on my coffee shop, Breezy Budgets. In my matcha era, and it got 3. Disadvantages of being left-handed sometimes. 1, 2, it got 6, so I need to mark off 3. Okay. All right, so let's get that put back in its spot. Hopefully something will get finished today. Let's see. And the number, okay, this is the number 3 spot. You got 1, 2, 3. What's that? 8, 9, $10 today. Let's see. Did you get finished? Did anything get finished? That's a lot. This one did get finished. All right, good. And it needed, did it need $4 to be completed? Okay, so this one saves 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. It saves $24, right? But I think I might have had a couple in there extra from last week, but it doesn't matter. It's just going to go to the next challenge. Okay, let's see. Let me make sure it's got its 24. Since it got an extra, 10 today? So 2, 4. Okay, so I'm gonna get this 24, and then the rest is gonna go to whatever the next challenge is that I pull. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. All right, yay! So we got a completed challenge. All right, and I'm gonna leave this out. It's gonna go in the back there for the completed challenges for the month. But I don't have my paper clips. I guess I wasn't expecting it. Wasn't all that prepared today. Okay, let me grab another challenge out of the back. Out of the bank of challenges, huh? Okay. Try to get somebody else. And this is, okay, Melissa Manages. We'll use this one. It says spread happiness. And how many is it? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are worth $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because this is mini Mondays, right? Okay, I'm gonna put here that they're worth $1. And I got how many? Short-term memory. Oh my gosh. Okay, we mark off 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. All right. So that one would have a nice start when we do it the next time so far. All right, let's see what we have here. This challenge is Toya Denise Budgets, and it was in the number 4 spot, and it got $4 today. And it needed $4 to be completed. Okay, 2, 4. So it should have everything. So that's what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So it saved $24. And let me get the money out. Make sure it doesn't have any extra in there. So it got the exact amount, didn't it? Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So it was one extra bill because, if I get an extra bill, I can't mark it until the next one. Okay, so that is a completed challenge. Let me grab another one to get us going on the next round. What do we have back here? Try to get a different, trying to get a different, okay, hold on, let me grab some challenges. I need some mini ones. All right, I got this one, Cat Lady Budgets, and this one has amounts on it. It's not that bad though. So I will put this mark off this $1 to get us started. Okay, excellent. Okay, and this number 5 spot, we got 2 bills. Hopefully it needed a lot still, didn't it? Okay, well that's okay. And mark off 1, 2. This is by Teacher Mom Budgets. And she has a Ko-Fi. She's on YouTube. Last challenge. Budget by Tina. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bills today. And it needed 8 to be finished. So didn't quite get done, but that's okay. 1, 2, 3. So it's almost done. All right. Okay, so that's where we are with our mini Mondays, and I will have a full playlist link below. Let me know how you're doing with your savings, and remember to go over to Ko-Fi and grab your freebies. All right, until next time, stay blessed. Bye.